today we talk about how can you add a method on your Upwork challenge app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on get paid here. So when you click here on get paid here, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video. So then you click here on add a method here. When you click here on add a method here, it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video here. Then here can you set up here, or here can you select or set up here for your PayPal, or here for your card information. So that's all you have to do. Thank you. And here can you wire transfer, then here direct use a bank. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.